Morning, everyone. This is Deepthi Agarwal from ABES Engineering College from the Department of AI ML. Today, we are going to discuss ChatGPT. Nowadays, ChatGPT is the highly discussed topic over out the world. So, we are going to discuss today is really you think that is ChatGPT as at the end of thinking skills? I don't so that. So let's discuss over here. First, we discuss the calculator impact. For the old generation of a student, it was a matter to pride to be able to orate numbers tables from 1 to 20. With the invention of calculator, the need of memorizing table is diminished. So here we can see that when the calculator inventions to orate the tables and to memorize the table, something sometimes or some may be dismissed. What is the internet impact of ChatGPT? Then come distribution called Google search and the era of the internet. This revolution has scary and that of the calculator. It was worried that this search engine would significantly, uh, dear student, just this revolution was very scared than that of the calculator. It was worried that the search engine would significantly dent students' reading and learning habits from some duration, and that happened too. Book sales were reduced and bookstores worldwide shut down in a big numbers. However, with the internet revolution spreading like fire, society evolved into initiative reading solution like smartphones, kindly, etc. To this, we proceed further. Now, what is the impact of ChatGPT in our education system? This is for personalized learning. Students can get personalized and real-time tutorial which can make them understand complex concept better and improve their grades, improve their knowledge. Reducing the workload, teachers can use ChatGPT to generate teaching learning content such as lesson plan and based on a specific assignment based learning objective. This will result in less workload for teachers and create spare time to them interact more with their students. And we think that ChatGPT somewhere is lost the ability to thinking outside the box. If a student become overly reliant on ChatGPT, their independent, critical thinking and problem solving skills may deteriorate. Over time, student may lose the ability of think outside the box and generate original ideas. Since human emotion don't play any role in working ChatGPT, complex problem involving human beings might get solution, thus according empathy and disturbing human relation. It is disturbing human relations because it has no emotions, no sympathy. So, and what is the authenticity? If we talk about the authenticity about ChatGPT, then what is it is already a question mark. Not everything which that ChatGPT answers would be authentic. This may result in students accepting inaccurate outputs on as a basic for making decisions. This could have negative consequence for their education and future careers. If students really exercisely on ChatGPT for answers and solutions, they may become less motivated to learn independently, thus diluting human intelligence over generation. The pros of using ChatGPT for education. As a student set up 21 their issues, ChatGPT walks them through the process and answers questions. Moreover, ChatGPT can assemble all the information, enhancing problem solving skills and sparing the students from having to do additional research. Uses is simple. You may start using the user interface straight away because it is designed to be very basic. Writing essay and other text based things will become super easy for the children. And it's also very convenient for students might not have access to a tutor or teacher. ChatGPT is a practical tool because it can be accessed from anywhere within just internet connection. The chatbot is also accessible on a phone or tablet. It's also save times. You don't have to read the entire text because ChatGPT automatically summarizes it. You may then devote more time to other important tasks like browsing or even finishing your homework. Provides feedback. Another benefit is that Chat Talk provides comment on your writing as you go. This is helpful while developing new writing skills, enhancing your learning experience. Now, we discuss the cons of using ChatGPT for kids' educations. Lack of human interactions. While ChatGPT can carry a conversion and provide information, it is unable to communicate with the students in real time or offer tailored comments. This may restrict the learning process and make it challenging to comprehend an idea in entirety or to ask for clarifications. Technology dependent. ChatGPT depends on technology to operate, thus there is a chance that it would not always be accessible at all times because technology update time to time. Limited information. ChatGPT has limited knowledge because it can only know what it has been taught. It might not be able to give a thorough understanding of a subject because it's just a knowledge box when we retrieve information, but it has a limited information. No room for creativity. Answers available to kids at their fingerprints will not aim to creating something of their own. They would rather type the query and copy paste the solution to complete the task. End of thinking skills. Students that really too heavily on ChatGPT may lose interest in learning independently, which may eventually lead to a decline in a human intelligence. Way to use ChatGPT as a student. In which way we have to use ChatGPT? Students, they really too heavily on ChatGPT may lose interest in learning independently, which may eventually lead to a decline in human intelligence. If we always depend on ChatGPT, then we will decrease the interest in human intelligence. Summarizing long essay and article to read them easily. If you give a command that provide me a 2 words, 200 word summary, it will provide it. Just you have to paste the name of the content. Generate ideas for stories and creative pieces. Managing and writing applications and mails. Practicing your curriculum for exam and test. You can use in a better way for your preparation, using as a spelling or grammar checking. Something are do's and don'ts of using GPT as a student. You can use ChatGPT for assisting your studies. You can use for more follow-up questions to get a response or the response you need to for the academic purpose. Don't use ChatGPT to write your answer of assignment, but only to get ideas for the same. Don't use ChatGPT to write answer for examination as it is not fully plagiarism proof. Don't become over independent on ChatGPT and despite being a powerful AI tool, it has honed its limitations. Moreover, exclusive reliance on the tool can turn into an addictive dependence. Let's proceed further. So the conclusion is that in the impact of ChatGPT on the future of education remains a disturbing concern. Especially the thinking skills would be the early victim because we not able to think properly because we just depend on the ChatGPT. AGI, explainable AI, deep reinforcement learning, transfer learning are even much more advanced technology likely to hit us very soon because it's all about technology and it's all time up to date. These are the references and thank you so much. We will meet in the next video with new topic.